Machine learning is increasingly becoming popular in e-learning, but most instructors and L&D professionals are getting curious to know about its benefits. Even though most people have known already, only a few fully understand its benefits on e-learning. There are benefits of machine learning for online training. However, one needs to use the best practices in achieving advantages that deliver better learning experiences. Machine learning. Machine learning as a branch of AI represents systems with an ability to learn with increasing accuracy without being programmed. The primary aim is to enable machine systems to learn on its own without human intervention. Machine learning will create computer algorithms that access data and then use it to make future forecasts. The learning process begins with observing, checking for data, making better decisions. Here are a few algorithms used by machine learning. 1. Supervised machine learning algorithm. In this category, the system uses new data and previous examples to make future predictions. A programmer trains a scenario by providing inputs and outputs without other intervention. With time, the system creates targets for the new sets of data. 2. Unsupervised machine learning algorithm. It doesn't involve in any data classifications or labeling. This system makes future predictions by identifying patterns through data evaluations. 3. Semi-supervised machine learning algorithm. This category falls between the supervised and unsupervised algorithms. Supervised learning algorithm uses labeled data. Unsupervised learning algorithm uses unlabeled data. Semi-supervised learning algorithm helps the system by making improvements in learning accuracy and use small labeled data. 4. Reinforcement machine learning algorithm. In this category, the system is used to complete a specific task. It receives feedback through reinforcement signals continuously using the desired behavior. Benefits of machine learning in e-learning. Machine learning is the future of e-learning as it offers online learners a variety of benefits. Improve e-learning return on investment. With machine learning, a wide profit margin can be achieved. How is that possible? It spends less on creating online training while delivering quality learning. With predictive analytics, tracking learners' progress and other learning experiences empower in utilizing e-learning resources at the required time and place. Delivers more personalized e-learning content. One of these benefits uses pattern recognition forecasts as learning outcomes. For instance, a machine learning algorithm identifies where a learner is struggling with a course module. After identifying, it adjusts by providing helpful information for progress. If a student exhibits a skill gap, then a system automatically recommends content to help a learner acquire knowledge in a personalized format. Employs chatbots as e-learning instructors. Chatbots are software built using machine learning and AI to interact with humans. This software takes the place of an e-learning instructor to deliver a better learning experience. In case of questions, they are equipped with built-in algorithms that help in giving precise answers on the specific subject matter. Chatbots are essential in e-learning as they don't have any restrictions on answering or delivering projects or assessments to students. It creates an interactive learning experience that learners crave. Furthermore, these are readily accessible, to reach out instructor anytime to seek clarification on any subject matter with a single click. Motivates learners in acquiring knowledge. Another benefit of machine learning is the ability to motivate learners to achieve learning goals. Unlike e-learning courses, personalized courses help learners in saving their time through irrelevant content to acquire learning objectives. Machine learning delivers customized training to meet the learner's requirements. Irrelevant information distracts learners, giving them what they need precisely, to get motivated in completing an online training course. Provide multiple assessment formats. Multiple choice questions are one of the easiest to grade. It is the pattern of assessments that most instructors prefer using in their training. With an introduction of machine learning, accessing learners' knowledge with different quiz formats is very easy. Machine learning is going to have a lot of positive impact on the future of e-learning. The above is just a few of the many benefits that it can bring to your online training. Final thoughts. In most instances, online learning is a more accessible, flexible, and efficient training method for people of all ages and industries. Students and entrepreneurs ensure that their training is legitimate, resulting in formal certification, especially if they are planning to invest.